Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log into your NBT bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search NBT bank login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.nbtbank.com. It will then take you to the official website of NBT bank. Then on the top right corner, click to login. Then it will take you to the official. Then it will redirect you to a login page. Enter your user ID. Then enter your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your NBT bank account. To make login easier for next time, click to remember my user ID. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgot your password or user ID, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password or Forgot User ID. And if you are new to NBT Bank, you can register a new account by clicking to Register. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.